I'm Mikko Ostolo from Nokia Bell Labs Finland and the overall lead of Hexa-X2. And it is my pleasure to welcome you all to this Hexa-X2 workshop on enablers for 6G system that we are doing in cooperation with you. In the process towards 6G, we have passed this initial phase of structuring and framing, creating joint momentum for 6G. And now then we are in the phase of systemization, moving forward with 6G, doing additional steps in preparing the ground for the standardization, leading then of course to commercialization. And now we have the privilege of having a great set of SNSJU projects working in this area together. And as a reminder, on Hexa-X, there is a great set of deliverables available from the Hexa-X side on earlier work with technical things and drivers behind 6G, as well as videos on our demos and a link to a freely available book on 6G that Hexa-X did together with the 5G PPP work group on architecture. But so now we have already been 1 year working in Hexa-X2 with a even stronger consortium, 44 organizations, Nokia's overall leader and Ericsson as technical manager. Here in the project, we are continuing to look at and evaluate the use cases and related requirements, the drivers for 6G, as well as moving forward with the technical items and enablers, and especially then building on the 6G system blueprint and platform, bringing together the items and forming up views on prioritization, what really is part of 6G and what is not. And this consortium doing it here is then containing very well the different parts of the value chain. And with the wider cooperation with other SNSJU projects, we even massively strengthen this cooperation. From Hexa-X2, we already have a wide set of deliverables available from our website on these different technical areas, as well as then different steps on moving forward with this end-to-end system blueprint and the overall approach for 6G. So most recent items are this January document on the use case and requirements, and then foundation of this overall 6G system design. So then to this workshop. So yes, we are improving the European joint approach towards 6G, harmonizing our approach towards this end-to-end system view, including architecture and enablers. We do this via sharing information and interacting on this related approach. And via this then we can build this system perspective and combine these different architectural functional perspective as well as end-to-end and user-to-user perspective. Welcome very much this interaction with the strengthened team. Then on the one dimension of the impact that we are aiming is of course standardization. This is very central, and looking forward to impact on this standardization also from all the other involved projects in this event today. So here we recognize that by the end of this first set of SNSJU projects, including Hexa-X2, by middle of next year, the 3GPP is ramping up the technical specification. So that's a good time then to move forward our final contributions in this domain. But also already we have identified really high amount of opportunities of impacting the most central standardization arenas. So from the first year of operation, we had already 110 contributions, whereas the objective for this 2.5 years of project work, so plenty of time still to do that, the objective was 120.